How to make Google your homepage in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Chrome application. Then tap on this three dot. Now go to settings. After that, scroll down and then go to homepage. Now, here what you will have to do is enter a custom web address and make sure you have copied the URL of Google beforehand, and all you have to do is paste the web address and then done. But if you want to make Google your custom homepage, you can simply go to select Chrome's homepage, and as you can see, this will be your homepage and it is of Google. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.